Hello everyone! Hope you're doing great today. We brought you some interesting iPhone cheap accessories. Just look at this ZAGG InvisibleShield, Magnetics wireless dock, and the most exciting, our last product, Sidelinx Keychain, which will be sure to blow your mind, so stick with us, and without wasting your time, let's jump to our first product. Here it is. Wireless charging station adopts the latest QI wireless technology, supports simultaneous charging of QI supported devices. The wireless charger allows charging Apple AirPods, Apple Watch, and iPhone at the same time thanks to the overcurrent protection, over voltage protection, and over temperature protection, as well as foreign object detection function. This iPhone charging station can prevent overcharging damage to your device, and it's not enough here. This 3-in-1 wireless charging station Apple products support vertical or horizontal wireless charging with a tilt angle design for better angles when watching a video or tracking information while charging your devices, and luckily the powerful magnetic fixed charging base has an anti-slip silicone design so that the phone will not move nor flip, and to ensure that your iPhone, iWatch, and AirPods are secured in place while charging. No one can bear invading their privacy nowadays. We all having big screen phones, so your privacy might be seen by someone easily, but now you don't need to worry because now we have this amazing screen protector. Keep prying eyes from looking at your smartphone with this two-way filtered glass screen protector. When viewed from the front, it looks normal without any loss of color or clarity. However, when viewed from the side, it blacks out, making everything on the screen barely visible. This is great for public places where you want absolute privacy. This tempered glass screen protector features ion matrix technology. This means that it is chemically strengthened at the molecular level to provide incredible protection from scratches. What do you think about this product? Let us know in the comment section. This OtterBox Defender will blow your mind. Compatible with iPhone 12 Pro Max, multi-layer defense, solid inner shell, and soft outer cover. No built-in screen protector. Belt clip holster included that doubles as a kickstand for hands-free media viewing, and its port cover keep out dust and debris. It also includes OtterBox limited lifetime warranty, see website for details, and 100% authentic. Here it's another wireless charger, but it's different than the previous with amazing features equipped with new magnetic technology that perfectly snaps and centers to the charging coil on the back of the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini, and iPhone 12 Pro Max for secure wireless charging. A 20-watt USB-C power adapter provides fast charging with either magnetic chargers or USB-C to lightning cables, and all in a compact form, the same size as Apple's 5-watt adapter. Keep the charger and your device cool and intact while charging with over temperature, over current, over voltage protection. Really, this magnetic wireless charger is gonna make your life much easier, isn't it? This Max screen protector will blow your mind. If you don't believe, just have a look at its made by premium tempered glass, which is the same material compatible with iPhone 12 Pro Max, 6.7-inch original touchscreen glass. It makes the touch feeling the same as compatible for iPhone 12 Pro Max, a 9H hardness super thin tempered glass. It owns super high transmittance and high restoring the original color of the screen. Protect glass 0.26mm 2.5D thin tempered glass compatible for iPhone 12 Pro Max 6.7-inch. A 9H hardness super thin tempered glass, only second to the world's hardest substance, diamond, hardness 10. Scratch resistant and blowout resistant. Its surface used nanometer thin oil coating, which is anti-fingerprint, oil rub resistance, and effectively preventing and filtering ultraviolet ray. Easy to install, the installation frame enables perfect alignment of the protector. The cleaning cloth and dust remover gives you a bubble and dust-free application. Installation is easier than ever. Here's a smartphone cooling fan, easy to adjust and perfectly suitable for all types of cell phones from 4.5 to 7 inches. Rapid cooling down with the dual engine. It's the same refrigeration principle as the refrigerator, not the ordinary fan cooling. It can cool down your phone in 3 seconds to avoid overheat and ensure stabilize your live streaming or gaming experience. Mute engine dissipation, dual silent designing fan can efficiently emit wind from all sides, providing a stronger refrigeration effect, no disturbance to your gaming or your vlog show. Enlarged cooling area, about 7 square inches extreme thermal conductive cooling area to cover the CPU and battery module. This product is not just amazing by its name. In fact, if you look at this case, you'll know why it's named Beastcage. The most advanced iPhone photography and filmmaking cage ever made with all new upgrades, compatible with all Beast grip lenses and filters including the M series lenses and DOF adapters. Quick locking cover secures and releases your phone within seconds. Toolless, quick-release lens mount allows you to swap between any of our lens mount plates, easily includes 8 built-in 1/4-inch 20 accessory mounts. Are you going to order one for your iPhone? If yes, then must tell us how you experienced. One of the first designs to be created from scratch is the MS4 stand, the perfect desktop stand for any situation. Great for personal use or a gift for anyone with a phone compatible with MagSafe charger, compatible with iPhone 12 models. After an easy installation process, the stand holds your MagSafe compatible phone and charges it. It's aesthetically pleasing and fits perfectly with any interior design motif. Premium silicone was used to create this awesome product so that it can help protect your phone and the surface it sits on. Silicone prevents scratches on the surface it rests on and keeps it securely there with amazing grip. This one is my favorite and I'm sure it'll blow your mind. Razor thin, the flip stand features a firm friction hinge that provides steady support at a wide range of angles, revolutionizing the way you interact with your flip stand. Fully adjustable, portrait or landscape, the flip stand offers multiple angles for viewing in both portrait and landscape modes. Attaches to your phone or case and supports phones of all sizes. Such a useful gadget. This one is gonna be very unique and interesting and you're gonna love it. Double-layered sweat-proof neoprene construction provides unsurpassed moisture protection and comfortable wear. A crystal clear touchscreen face allows you to access your device's features with clarity and ease. The sweat-proof lining keeps water away from crucial internal components. The included extender provides compatibility for changing sizes and large biceps. Hook and loop fabric strapping provides a secure anti-slip grip. Cell phone compartment measures 5.35 inches into 2.77 inches into 0.45 inches. Armband strap length measures 10.5 inches to 12.5 inches without extender and 15 inches to 19.5 inches with extender attached. Look at this insane phone case. It's the perfect Mag case for your iPhone 12. Strong magnets were designed into the inner part of the case to ensure your phone latches onto the MagSafe charger and prevents falling. Liquid silicone was used to make this incredible case. The case adds great grip and protection to your iPhone 12 while adding a splash of color. Don't forget any aspects of what makes a case great when choosing Elago. Perfect gift for any Apple lover. Great for birthday presents, for loved ones and gifts during the holiday season, especially Christmas and other holidays. Here it's another most unique charging dock. 4-in-1 which can charge 3 devices at the same time and you can listen to beautiful music while charging your phone. You won't bore now while charging your phone. It has 2 built-in speakers, delivers you the best quality sound, and they are unexceptionally loud. This is really cool with so many functionalities. You will be surprised with this. IT securely holds the iPhone 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. Compatible with all iPhones and Android adapters, can be connected to a set of keys or looped onto a bag. This accessory makes a great gift for friends and family. Always have your dongle by your side. We hope you enjoyed our products and stay tuned with us for more amazing gadgets videos. Like and subscribe.